In this question, you are asked to find the domain of fx is equal to 1 by root of x plus 2. So as you can see, this function is made up of a square root function, a linear function, and a reciprocal function. We have root of x plus 2 in the denominator. So for this function to be defined, what are the conditions that need to be satisfied? So first, x plus 2 is inside square root. So x plus 2 has to be greater than or equal to 0. But x plus 2 is in the denominator. So x plus 2 cannot be equal to 0. So for this function to be defined, for fx to be defined, x plus 2 has to be greater than 0. So this will be the condition which needs to be satisfied if this function f of x has to be defined. This implies x has to be greater than minus 2. That means the domain is minus 2 comma infinity. So x has to be greater than minus 2. So equal to minus 2 does not hold. So you have an open minus 2 to infinity. So this will be the domain of this function.